Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp chat button to your System.io website. This is an excellent way to make it easier for your visitors to reach out to you directly, creating a more interactive and accessible experience for potential customers or clients. Let's get started with the process. First, open your web browser and navigate to elfsight.com. Elfsight is a platform that provides various widgets you can integrate into your website, and they make adding features like WhatsApp chat incredibly simple. Once you're on the homepage, look for the button that says Explore Widgets and click on it. This will take you to their catalog of available tools. In the widget catalog, search for WhatsApp chat. You'll find it among the many options they offer. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Now you'll see a button that says Create Widget for free. Go ahead and click that to begin customizing your WhatsApp chat button. You'll now be in the customization interface. In the left panel, you'll see various templates available for your WhatsApp chat widget. Browse through these options and click on the template that best matches your website's design and your preferences. Once you've selected your template, click Continue with this template to move forward. Next, in the left panel, navigate to the Connect section. Here you'll see a field asking for your WhatsApp number. Enter your WhatsApp number carefully in this field, making sure it includes your country code so customers can reach you properly. After entering your number, click Add to Website for free. Now here's an important note. Before you can actually copy the embedded code, Elfsight requires you to upgrade to their premium plan. However, since I'm using a free trial account for this demonstration, I'll show you what the next steps would look like once you have access. You would click to copy the embedded code that Elfsight generates for you. With your code copied, head over to your System.io editor where you're building your website. In the left panel of the editor, scroll down until you find the element labeled Raw HTML. Once you locate it, drag it onto your canvas where you want the WhatsApp chat button to appear on your page. After placing the raw HTML element, click on it in your editor to activate it. This will bring up options in the left panel. Look for the button that says Edit Code and click on it. You'll see some default code already in the box. Delete all the existing code that's currently there, then paste your WhatsApp embedded code that you copied from Elfsight. Make sure the code is pasted correctly and completely. Once you've pasted it, click Save to apply the changes, and that's it. You've successfully added a WhatsApp chat button to your System.io website, making it easy for visitors to contact you instantly through WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.